All right, 8g. Okay, and again, the first thing we start off with is factoring. The numerator there, x squared minus 9, will become x minus 3x plus 3. The denominator, at x squared minus x minus 12, will become x, in the first position there, minus 4 plus 3. Minus, okay, the numerator over here will be x and x. Again, factors of 14 that differ by 5. Okay, it's going to be negative 5. Negative 7 and positive 2. And our denominator here, the product is negative 21 and whose difference is negative 4. That'll be negative 7 and positive 3. And just as with the last previous ones here, we've got these shared factors here, numerator and denominator. Even before I try to put them together, there's a little bit of simplifying that can happen, which allows me to state that, hey, I'm going to do this so long as x is not allowed to equal negative 3 or positive 7. I know that I can ignore those terms and now just add those two. So I'll just, or sorry, not add, or really just subtract here. The common denominator will be the product of those two, x minus 4, x plus 3. And now I just expand it out here. So I've got x minus 3 in the numerator here. The missing factor here is x plus 3. And that creates a difference of squares. So x squared minus 9 minus, really important that I catch it, that's subtraction there. The missing factor here in this term is this x minus 4. So when I multiply that out, I'm going to get x squared, so minus x squared. And then it'll end up being minus 4 plus 2, which is negative 2. But the negative makes it positive there, so positive 2x. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, but the negative makes it positive. So in our next step here, again, our denominator, I should say, is x minus 4x plus 3. Again, I've still got this restriction, x cannot equal negative 3 or 7. I have to keep including that, or else it's not actually equal to the original expression. But x squared minus x squared, those terms kind of eliminate each other. Then you're simply left with a 2x, and then negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. So 2x minus 1 over x minus 4x plus 3. The restrictions that I lost up here because of the removable discontinuities are negative 3 and 7. And then to finish the question, I will include the essential ones, okay, or the ones that I can't get rid of because they stick with me all the way to the end, the positive 4 and the negative 3.